Hey, it's Tom from Toons. And what we're gonna do to this boat is a pretty simple project, maybe something you've considered doing to your boat to refresh it, make it a little more comfortable. This is a 1996 Sweetwater, just a 16-foot pontoon, but you could do this to any size pontoon. It got new flooring a couple years ago, but as you can see, the seats are starting to really go. The seams are coming apart. Otherwise, it's a pretty clean little boat, but it's time for new seats. They're wooden bases. It's time for a refresh. We're gonna take a bunch of measurements. We're gonna draw this up in the deck designer at pontoonstuff.com. And then we're gonna go ahead and order seats, get these cleaned out. We'll clean the floor a little bit just to get rid of some of the old dirt marks from the old seats. And then as soon as the new seats get here, we're gonna install them, and we're doing a new console too. So a little bit of everything, bringing this boat up to a more comfortable, cleaner look. We just finished the install and the upgrade on this boat. It had the floor done a few years ago, but the seats were starting to pull apart at the seams. They were wood bases. It was time to upgrade those. We upgraded the helm and seats. Let's take a look at all the seats we put in first. This is something you could do over the course of a weekend, absolutely, in terms of taking your old seats out, removing the console, and then installing everything back in. The seats go fairly smooth. The console is going to take you a little bit longer, but we've got videos showing how to install all of these items on the channel, so keep that in mind. Up front, we have, these are a new seat from Pontoon Stuff. They really give this boat a factory look. They're like it was meant to be here right from the get-go. It's a 45-inch bench, and it's got this really nice corner cushion. You can wedge right in here. You could turn, kick your feet up, use it kind of like a lean back seat, but again, it gives these older style railings. We call this a 28-inch corner. Gives it a little more updated look rather than just the armrest and bench. Looks great too. This is a nice little upgraded option. These are premium seats, so this is the premium line. The big thing you're gonna see with the premium versus the classic is more cushion. So more robust cushioning across the back, more cushion on the bottom. The vinyl, the colors, those are the same as classic, but you just get a more comfortable seat. And these tend to break in and soften up really, really nice. We just had a boat in here that had premium seats. They're 5 years old and they were super comfortable. The vinyl is still in really good shape on them too. Tons of storage underneath both sides. And then we did something, we haven't done this before. It turned out really, really nice. We've got a 28-inch bench that extends back right to the console. This offers a lot more seating. They used to have a door here. We bolt that shut. We put a little spacer in the opening, bolt it shut, and that just becomes a continuation of the railings on the starboard side. A little more modern look as well. Coming to the back, we've got a lean back. This is the fully upholstered lean back. So all vinyl all the way down. It's a really nice sharp look, a nice upgrade. Again, tons of storage underneath this. Nice thing about these seats is if I'm sitting here and somebody needs something out of this seat, this we call the snack cabinet, or if you're keeping towels or anything, you need something quick, open that up, grab it out. I don't even have to get up, but it is a really comfortable seat to lean back, lounge in too. We reused their table base, did a 38-inch bench to a 28-inch corner into a 55 bench and an armrest. That's gonna be your most common layout for an 8-foot wide boat if you're extending all the way across the back of the boat. So keep that in mind. Reclining Helm chair and the standard Helm. And what we do with the standard Helm, because this is a binnacle style control box, it can fit up here, but things get real crowded, especially when we want a little gauge package, switch panel stereo. So we used the compartment. This is sold separately from the console, but this gives us a place to mount our shift throttle controls for the motor. Nice clean look, gives you a cup holder down here. We can run the ignition right back in, and that powers up our voltmeter as well as our tachometer. We got a horn, we've got navigation lights, and on this is very simple. The only other thing we have here is our stereo. So these are open if they ever want to add something. There's wires behind here, they can open it up, wire in whatever they want for accessories, and away they go. What we've done here is a really simple way to make your older boat way more comfortable, way nicer looking. No more embarrassing seats or wet butts from the cushions getting wet from ripped vinyl. No more. New seats on your boat, it's gonna give it a fresh new look. Check them out at pontoonstuff.com. We've got a coupon code in the description of this video. You can use that to shop for your furniture. Helps you out with some savings, helps the channel too. Thank you for watching.